Stealth, come out! Stealth, it's okay, we're family.
What? Oh, okay.
Stealth! Back in. Ah! There's water! Ah!
So how does it feel to be out here?
South Carolina right now? Oh yeah, let's go. Driving inside.
But you need to give it backpack on.
Hello, 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 beautiful people. Surprise, we are back for another vlog. We're not flying this time, taking a road trip down south to South Carolina for the holidays. It is currently December 23rd. It is 12:58 a.m. and we're going to take the 12-hour and 45-minute drive, probably more, down to South Carolina, Hilton Head. We're going to be seeing our family. We're celebrating a couple things. We're celebrating Christmas, obviously. Someone's birthday is 2 days after Christmas. My grandma's birthday is also on Christmas. And New Year's. We're going to be out there until the new year. And yeah, it's going to be a fun time. We're going to see some cool people. We're going to see someone you might have seen a couple times on the channel who goes by the name of DC Ninja. Let's get going. It is 1:22 in the morning. We were supposed to leave at midnight the latest.
Yeah. I don't think we got there.
But anyway, we're in the back seat. We're set up. Very good. This is my side. Got phone, camera, AirPods. Got some snacks in my hat bag, which is in the middle.
I got my pillow, sleeping. My phone is charging because I forgot to charge it. My water bottle, which I'm probably not going to drink anything out of. And then my bag with a few books.
Oh my gosh, hopefully we'll be waking up in Cracker Barrel parking lot, ready to eat. Because I'm already hungry.
Yeah.
The snow's coming down here in Maryland.
Well, the folks looking bad from Virginia back, I think, this north.
It was freezing up here. Oh my gosh, it's been freezing up. It's been freezing up here since like before Halloween. Did you feel me moving around?
A little bit, yeah.
I get terrible time trying to stick out here.
Stupid, I wasn't sure.
Getting the digital going. Gosh, it looks scary. Good morning. Good morning. It's food time. I'm hungry. I was dreaming about Cracker Barrel. Just absolutely devout. I was gonna record, but I was so hungry I couldn't do anything. So we're leaving Virginia right now. It's 10:30 a.m. We are stopped right now in North Carolina at EP Cafe. What's that? They sell OE. It's crazy. Yeah. Alright. We'll be back soon. Our final stop. We are in Santee, North Carolina. South Carolina, excuse me. We are in South Carolina. I am out here with a t-shirt on. It's much warmer, it's much nicer, sun's out. I'm hyped. DC Ninja, we're almost there, bro. We're almost there.
So this is Christmas. What have you done? Another year over, and you won't just begun. And so this is
Update. We are about 15 minutes away. We are in Hilton Head. You've probably seen the shots from the digital. We're gonna go to our house first and see my favorite streamer ever, DC Ninja 11.
Cheryl, your cat's here. On my side.
Right, here we are, Hilton Head, South Carolina. Oh, water's coming up better. Oh, look at little kitty. This is the crib?
Yes.
This is the crib ski?
This was not here.
Oh, I've actually never been in this house before. Wait. I'm like the only person that hasn't been here yet. Wow. Oh yeah, Grandpa Poppy hasn't been here yet. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it smells new. Jeez. Yeah, this is the new deck. This was installed, you said last weekend?
Yeah, last week.
So we got a deck now. Just a week ago. About a week ago. Maya and I are sharing this room. We're going to be sharing this room. I'm on that bed. She's on that bed.
Get out! Come out! Stop! It's okay. We're family. What is on your legs?
Alright, yo, we here. As you can see, I'm not recording. So, I wonder who's on the other side of the camera, bro. Like, who could it be on the other side of the camera?
I gotta make sure the hair
Looking all tall and nonchalant. His dyed dreads looking like he's trying to be fake XXXTentacion, bro.
Chill, bro.
It's DC Ninja!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, so what we doing out here?
I'm throwing up assists. Real gun swinging. You know, suburbs, by the way.
Like D-Wade and Bron.
Real toe tagging.
You don't even know, bro. This is what we here for. This is what
Y'all don't even know about this, bro. Y'all know about this combo.
Who's at the Tony Stark's, bro?
The Fight Club, bro.
Bro, we gotta go drive.
Yes.
I'll
drive you around.
Please.
Bro, let me drive.
You got the keys on you? Oh, we out.
Really this, run up, really down. I know you a big fan. We'll now begin the push-ups.
Oh, that's my fault.
We'll now,
Mom, you had it. One more.
A medium firm. So you need to go to
we'll now begin the push-up section.
Ready? Begin. Down. Up.
Down, up, down.
Young nigga with them racks, yeah, I got them big bands. Outside with the gang, looking for the hoes, tryna run a 6-man. Roll nail, really this, run up, really that. I know you a big fan. Running my money up, fitness, grand pace of test, yeah, I got a big plan. Roll nail, really this, run up, really that. I know you a big fan. Running my money up, fitness, grand pace of test, yeah, I got a big plan.
That's tough. Good morning, everybody. It is in the morning. Everyone's getting in the car. We about to drive down the road. We're gonna go see DC's grandma. All right, everyone. This is George. George is coming back with me. Good boy. So DC's grandma's not here yet. Neither is DC. But we'll see. He'll be here soon. So we're just chilling here right now.
That is on record.
It is on record.
Okay.
Oh, you scared? You
He's just like sitting. He's just like.
Your family told you I'm a bad move.
Like me.
Plus I'm already a black dude. Leaving the bathroom. My hands inside wrist.
And what is it?
Nigga just had sense. Speaking in past tense.
How does it feel to be out here?
It feels good if the weather's nice.
It's funny because it feels so good for DC for the exact opposite reason. He's like, it's so much cooler. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just so much warmer.
That's funny.
Time is now 11:20. Maya.
Yep.
We're cooking breakfast. Oh, Mark, you want to be in the video? The vlog?
That's true. Marvin invited you for breakfast, and then I said, surprise, you have to cook it yourself.
Yes,
Merry Christmas. I am so happy to have family here. Oh my goodness, this is wonderful.
This is DC's grandma that I was telling you guys all so much about.
Here you go. Here, I'm making the cornbread.
Making the cornbread. Maya's making the fruit. I'm making the bacon. Oh, we got black Santas everywhere. There's black joy in here. It smells like black joy in here. All right. See y'all when breakfast is done. All right. We got some bacon, corn muffin, cornbread, potato casserole, Mashani, DC Ninja, Talking fruit.
Me get Stell 23.
Oh my god.
We got Stell 23. Maj. We got it all.
Here, put them on.
Yeah, out here. Big ass seat. Big DOA. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's tough.
Look.
You got my toes. We out here in the marsh. Look, he don't see us. We're trying to scare our sisters.
I told you they might not see us. Mixing up the drain. I just need a girl who gon' really understand. I just need a girl who gon' really understand.
Alright, we back. We out here deep in the marsh. This kid's with me.
Hey, I'm not jacking your tone, fam. Not jacking that. Hey, what's up, y'all? YouTube, we back in. There's water.
You're so stupid. Oh my god, they're stuck. Oh, the socks. Oh, the socks. Yeah, take them Johns off. I feel like an uncle right now. This is how uncles be coming to the functions, bro. Toes out and all.
Cause I wasn't expecting to come out of my shoes.
We're out back here, year 2, out in the Alaskan wilderness.
I need $1 million. I need €1 million. I need £1 million.
Alright, calm little update. Me and DC rode over here on the bikes. We changed. I changed my pants.
I finally got some socks.
Yeah, he has some socks now. Yeah, we're gonna ride back down to the crib, get our shoes, take some flicks, all that. Alright. Call your friend to get drunk. Call your friend to get drunk.
My size.
Oh, you get, okay, alright, I almost had them.
This be like B-roll footage just in case.
I need like something. We gotta plan this. It's just waiting. Alright. Let's make each other's minds. Ooh. That was
It was 5 minutes and 49 seconds. You chose the longest damn track.
I ain't never lying, I pump gas with my gun up. Feature just to kill him, cause we know the street. Hey. Train bitches hopping off the jet ski.
Say hi to the back. Well, me and DC were on a side quest.
Phone go. I think I lost it.
We were trying to find this wire for the camera because I left mine at home and we found it.
Justin, show him my phones.
Oh yeah, DC found a flip phone.
Where'd you find a flip phone?
In here.
Oh. You know what I need?
We give that grace to young players. You're supposed to be our #1, but you're playing like a bum. I bet you better do your job.
Alright, a little update for y'all. It's a calm hour of the nighttime. Ooh, the elevator's open.
That's VIP. That's how I pull up.
I'm here with the big DC Ninja. We're in his hotel. We're about to run some 2K. He's about to catch this belt. He's about to catch this belt.
Oh my god, don't lie to them.
We got the eats and the eats. Just get on 2K and look who's at the line, bro.
Here's Leonard.
No, good.
Yo, Chad, you're about to see this chicken. Oh my gosh. Chicken, please.
No.
Hold on. Oh my god, made you go. Land! Pop-Tart.
Tries the 10-footers.
We're in
What?
South Carolina right now. Oh yeah, let's go.
Driving inside.
Get back.
I just beat him in 2K.
Merch, I'm not losing again.
I just beat him in 2K. 85-67.
No, run a full game online, bro.
Prince wide open. And he's good on the free ball. Prince is always good.
He's leaving DC's hotel room. Goodbye, DC.
Goodbye, Justin.
Alright. It's a
11:05 p.m. We're doing a little editing right now. Trying to start this up. Me and DC got a little music video coming. You guys are gonna love it. And we're watching Christmas movie. Oh, my feet are there.
I'm trying to switch that on the board.
Yeah, it's the camera. It's recording right now. Oh, okay. Alright, y'all. It's officially Christmas. It's officially Christmas. Had to make sure they got it right. St. John's vest on. Has got a St. John's t-shirt.
Guess he's going to St. John's. It's official.
It's official. I'm going to a school that I've already completed a semester at.
Thank you, babes.
You're welcome. All right. It is Christmas. Yes. Merry Christmas, J-Willy, Stealth fam.
Merry Christmas.
We're going in his hotel room right now. We gotta grab his PlayStation. Ava's grabbing Uno cards. Then we're going back to my crib. Some more Christmas stuff. You know the vibes.
You gotta sit in the back. The PlayStation gets the passengers.
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, Ava's sitting in the trunk. The PlayStation gets us.
The PlayStation gets the whole back.
It gets the whole back row to itself.
No, I did.
We got the video, like a holiday vlog, you know.
Yeah. Hi, Merry Christmas. Jesus is the reason for the season.
Yes.
Yes, he is.
We're here. We got jerk pork, mac and cheese, collard greens, curry chicken. Oh, we got the Uno No Mercy going.
Y'all started without us? I didn't think this one. We're playing our own game.
Yo, this is so weird. I can't, bro. What you mean it's Christmas and I'm outside? Like, bro, in New York it's snowing right now, bro. Like, it's just so weird to me. We on Fortnite. We got the good food. We about to get this dove. You don't even know. Oh, the map is snowy. It's Christmas.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. No. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Justin?
Yo.
Happy birthday.
Nope.
Oh yeah, Justin! Oh yeah,
Wow.
Your grandma wanted to hear you sing and you didn't even put passion in.
I did
what
put
type of...
Now it's time for DC to get this work in 2K. You want to just explain what happened in 2K? I own him in 2K. He doesn't want to say it. No, I don't. I beat you by 20 and then I beat you by 10. Maria, I'm Drunk music video coming out soon.
Got your white out. She had to pick up like 20 cards. No, like 30.
Yeah, it was closer to 30, yeah.
They said no merch. I am a little nervous. Oh my God, I'm going to lose.
Yo, it's rap.
Yo, what's the word, DC? Is it rap? It might be rap.
Familia, it's rap.
I look at my hand yet. We're gonna look at my hand. Yeah, not gonna lie. Cut the cameras, bro.
Doesn't like that pressure. When you put them in a seatbelt, don't let them go nowhere. They don't like that pressure.
They don't like that
pressure. They don't like that pressure.
Tell them about
They
that.
don't like that pressure.
Tell them about that.
They don't know about that.
Tell them about
They
that.
don't know
They don't know about that. They don't know about that.
They don't know about that.
Did you win? No. Oh.
I won in my mind.
Go pack up.
It was
Go pack up.
first
Go
to
pack
zero.
up. Screen you over.